Today, it's average family commuter car versus boy racer car to see, for science sake of course, if over the generations, what used to be considered as a fast car is even capable of now beating what we now consider an average family commuter car. Today, it's average BMW versus legendary Nissan, and the results might just surprise you. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links down below in the description. Officially gassed, powered by MANNOL. So welcome back to the OG battles here at the mighty MANNOL Battlegrounds, and to a bit of an interesting matchup, and to be honest, one that was actually never meant to happen, but hey, here we are. Time, perceptions and technology have definitely altered what we all deem a fast car to be, with new everyday cars now leaving the factory with more than 300 bhp, new hot hatches commonly making over 400 bhp in stock form, and supercars making 1000 brake horsepower plus. It's time to see if what would have been considered a fast car back in the 90s can keep up with what's considered an average powered car of today. Let's check out the cars and their owners. So first up today, repping for Team 90's Boy Racer, it's Mohamed from ALMA Crash Repair Centre in his iconic 1999 280 brake horsepower, 343 Nm, 2.5 litre straight 6 turbo powered Nissan R34 GTT. Now, believe it or not, this GTT is actually bone stock power-wise, but has benefited aesthetically from a full OEM Nissan GTR body conversion by ALMA Crash Repair Centre to make it look that much spicier. But will it help him beat the family oil burner? Let's see. And stepping up against him, repping Team Modern Daily Diesel, it's me, Jamie, in this borrowed 2021 280 brake horsepower, 650 Nm, 3 litre straight 6 turbo diesel BMW 530D, also in bone stock form. As usual, we'll be using the V-Box PBT to give you all that good race data. And first up today, it's the roll races. But before we get cracking, let's get a couple of sound checks. Okay, so let me know what sounded better, the 90s icon or the family oil burner, and let's race.
All right, guys, what are we even doing? Is this car even running? It is running. All right, so whack this bad boy into sport mode. All right, so yes, we're in a family car. We've got the baby seat in the back and everything. This is wild. God knows how much this weighs. Why are we even doing this race? Why am I wearing a race suit furthermore and a helmet in this oil burner? Also, big up to Parts Plug. This is Jabs, the owner of Parts Plug's car. Today, we were served lemons in the races we were meant to race, so we made a lemonade. Enjoy. My expectations is I'm still gonna smoke that car, drag race and roll race. This is completely stock, but I'm gonna smoke him. You watch.
Okay, guys, so I don't know what's gonna happen now, but they put me against the BMW 530 diesel. I came with my friends basically, and it's just like 10 up. They put me on the track. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. But I believe I will win.
Let's go. All right, I'm the pace car. So we're gonna get to 40. I'm sorry, JDM fans, in advance, because I feel like I'm gonna smoke this guy. All right, cool. All right, that's 40. All right, cool. Let's have it, go! Oh, nothing happened, it kicked down! Oh no, he's beating me! He's beating me! No! No! Oh, it's close! It's close! I wasn't expecting that. That's actually quicker than I thought it would be. I don't know what I was expecting. This took forever to kick down. I put my foot down and nothing happened. We got jabs at the finish line. We got jabs at the finish line. He just watched me lose. I know his soul sank.
And race 1 goes to Mohammed, beating me by around 2 car lengths. Damn, let's line back up and go again.
Oh yeah, that wasn't bad at all. So let's do another one.
All right. I see he's got a smug look on his face now. I was giving it the big one. I actually thought I was going to win. All right, so we're in 3rd. Now we're in 4th. Okay, cool. We're in manual. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Let's go now. Come on. Let's go! No! No! Oh, it's so much closer. So much closer. He's still got the legs, but the mid-range, these two are basically the same. Jabs, I tried my best there. I drove it in manual and everything, bro. I'm driving the hell out of it, bro.
And that time, I managed to close the gap, but not by enough. And the Nissan, once again, takes the win by just under a car's length. Madness.
For the stock car, honestly, I'm so happy.
Unfortunately, neither car was fast enough over the given distance to record a 100 to 200 kph time. So the rolls and round 1 go to the 90s boy racers. But can I pull one back in the drags? Place your bets, because it's about to go down.
Let's do this, boys! I'm ready! Bye! Yo, this gets off! Let's go! X-Drive for the win, baby!
He got me. He got me. Oh my god.
Yes! Man's pulling trains on him! Let's go! This absolutely rockets off the line.
Nice one, Jamie.
Jabs, bro, I done you proud, I done you proud.
I have to do something on the second one.
All right, we go again. If I still smoke you like that, I'll give you some car lengths. I'll give you a car length head start.
Ready?
Let's go! That gets you. I'm not even gonna lie. I forgot where I was looking. That's mad, but yeah, it's Gap City.
No. Traction.
It's Gap City in the family wagon, baby. Let's go. Look at that. Sails to victory. Beauty. I'm not running a fast time, so God knows what he's running. All right, so it looks like I took the drag race, you took the roll race. I think I'm gonna give you 5 car lengths head start. What do you reckon?
And once again, the 5 Series absolutely gets up and goes, taking the win by a train's length. However, I think we need to level the playing field here. So it's bonus round time.
They're gonna give me 4 cars then. Oh my god. That's crazy.
This is crazy. I think he needs more than that. I reckon he needs more. Let's see if I can get him, boys. Let's see if I can get him. go, baby. Whoa, hey. Whoa, look, look. Hey, let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. We done it, boys. Family car lovers, we done it. The mad thing is, I feel like he misshifted. That's what it sounded like. I don't know what was going on.
That's embarrassing.
Jabs, come here quick, bro. Come here. Come here. No, come round here. We got the owner. Shout out to Jabs from Park Plug. Just letting me rag his daily up and down the strip, bro. We done it. We done it on the drags. I gave him 4 car lengths head start. I've done him by half a car. Nice, right? I've done us proud.
That's embarrassing.
And in a much closer run, the BMW still manages to take the win once again by around a car and a half's length. Mad. So, let's take a look over at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved during the runs using the V-Box PBTs. And unsurprisingly, the average family car records the fastest time, covering the quarter mile in 13.38 seconds at a speed of 100 miles per hour, beating the Nissan's best time of 14.22 seconds at a speed of 94 miles per hour. However, we're both just off pace to chart amongst our respective leaderboards. And then taking a look over at the best 0 to 60 times achieved, once again the 5 Series goes fastest, hitting 60 in a pretty respectable 4.65 seconds. The best Mohammed in the GTT could manage today was a 5.52 second run. However, once again, we're not quite fast enough to chart with the top 15s. And round 2 goes to me in the modern family-friendly BMW. So today we lined up 2 completely different cars with the same power from different generations, and it really highlighted just how much faster cars have become. The 5 Series just loses the roll races but absolutely dominates the drag races, running a mid 4 second 0 to 60 in the process, showing that modern day out-of-the-box family all-rounders have really come a long way. The 25-year-old Nissan pulls strong for a rear-wheel drive manual transmission stock-engined example and takes home the roll races for the 90s boy racers. And although he loses the drag races, to be quite honest, I think I'd still rather own the Nissan, as it might not get to the destination quite as fast, but I'd have a lot more fun on the way. Regardless, a massive thank you to Jabs from the Parts Plug, literally the plug for any modified car parts you need, for lending me his car, and to Mohammed from ALMA Crash Repair Centre, who, might I add, specialises in JDM conversions, bodywork and paint, for coming down today and making this happen. Links to both companies can be found down below in the description. And tell me this, if you could only choose one of the 2 cars to live with, which one would it be and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. And we'll be back, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.